Hi, good morning to everyone. This is Mahalingam from Mahalingam Market Rhythm. Today, 8th June 2021. Again, we are going to analyze our Reliance Industries. As we suggested earlier, my last post, we were in a long trade on Reliance. Okay, so now we can check the intraday chart where we were in long. Okay, these are the things. So earlier video I suggested long one 2118. Okay, 2118. Okay, just have a quick look. Entry point 2118 or enter nearby L3. Okay, the L3 point is here. See, that is exactly 2116. Okay, then Reliance just went down and the low registered as 2098. Our stop loss is 2090. Of course, it's a big one. Also, I suggested 200-day moving average violated and hold for below 30 minutes. You can exit. See, this is the one. We are in a 15 minutes time frame. Usually, you can maintain in your chart for stocks intraday. You have to have 15 minutes time frame. Why? Because this will gives you a clear picture. I can explain to you further. Okay, after breakdown 200 MA, if the script able to read us, see, the script may not able to sustain above this 200. It went up to 200 and again it was reverse. Okay, now what will be the ranges for today? Okay, we can delete all this now. Okay, and we can go to day chart. Today I found one website to find out the Camarilla before. Okay, all these Camarilla levels showing for the day when it will start. So how we will predict? Okay, so what is the low? So 2098. High is 2128. Okay, we can check advanced Camarilla intraday calculator. So the low is 2098. High 2127. Right. Wait. Okay. Then next 2128 high and the close 2110. Here we can put 2128, 2110. Okay, now you can find the values. See, again you are having 2118 is your H3. So we can mark that line 2118. For that, we need to go back 15-minute charts, 15-minute time frame. So mark 2118 as your H3. See, previously this 2118 act as a L3, which means lower support. Okay, and now this is going to act as a H3 as a higher support, which means your H3 is rising. Okay, okay, then your target will be 2126 and 2133. 2126, which is almost previous day high, and 2336, 2136, right? 2133. Okay, so these are the levels to watch out. 2133 as a target 2. Okay, and this is our entry point. Wait a minute, this is our target 1. 2118. Okay. And where would be the entry point? Yesterday, after analyzing the trend, I just come across a trend line scenario, okay, where we can get the exact entry point. Okay, this is a 15-minute chart. Now we have a consecutive 2-day closing red candles. Okay, if you draw a trend line from here and it can connect up to here, okay, this would be a 40% chances of go long and 60% chances of short. When see when this trend line violated, always you have to have a clear vision about the trend line. Trend line tells you the resistance point and the support point. You have to wait for that. Okay, if this trend line violated, go short. The script has to hold for at least 30 minutes below this trend line. Okay, two consecutive closing candles. Okay, so now this is our uh, Lakshman Rekha for the Reliance. Why I am saying like this? See, when the downfall reaches this trend line and you have a bounce back, it bounced up to 2115. So measuring this bounce is a 15 points. Again, if the trend going to 2118 and it will fall back to this trend and not able to violate it trading like this, then it will zoom. Okay, why I am indicating that it has to move up to 2118 because it has to go above this previous low. That is very much important. Sorry, previous high. So previous high is 2115. So the trend, the buyers interested to take the script to higher. Okay, thereafter the seller come into the market and push down the prices to the trend line, and where again the buyers are waiting to buy the stock. Okay, this is the first point, first attempt, and this is your second attempt, and always the third will be the direction point. When the stock reaches this point, 2105, so what will be our entry point? That is the first scenario. Let's go back to the Camarilla 2101 and the breakout is 2093. So 2101 is the lowest point, 2101 where it is. Okay, see. So our entry point somewhere above 2101. Okay. If you have an experienced trader, you can even catch in the L4 area. So L4 is 2093. So 2093. Mark this. You have to buy above this line. So you may think that this guy is confusing that below the trend line he wants to go short. Then how come the buying position going to occurs within this area? Of course, yesterday you seen this candle. The candle just reaches this H5, sorry, L5, and it is pushed back to the L3 level. So at any time you may have a candle like this. See, first plunge and your second plunge, and you may get your third plunge like this. Okay, so this candle will engulf these two. So the best suggestion is, of course, Above 2101 is our entry point. Okay. Okay. Then our stop loss should be placed somewhere 2090. Still, our stop loss is intact because this is the place where the script is going to punish by the short sellers. Have a look at this. Here you have double bottom. After getting the double bottom, the stock is moving to 2081 to 2149. So it is somewhere around 60 70 points. The way the stock bounced back to the support line is not taking too much time. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days uptrend and 1, 2, just 2 days downtrend. The script coming to the support line. As soon as the script back to the support line, it is not a good script. So it has to hold its rhythm for the upside. Okay. If the script coming back to support line immediately, which means there is a seller on the upper side. Okay. And you can watch the high 1, 2, 3, 3 lines where the price not able to move above this. Okay. Watch. Okay, this one, this is a first selling point. You have second selling point. You have third selling point. Okay, after taking this area, you just imagine the move immediately. One day, it was shoot up to 2126 to 2150, 25 points. Okay, now the trend is waiting to break this line. It cannot be. Okay, so first hurdle 2118 has to hold. Okay, if 2118 is holding for at least 1 hour, then the stock will move and will reach 2133. So the very simple strategy, you have to watch your 200 and you have your 20 also. When the stock is moving above this 200, it is easily you can capture the stock. It will move further. But you are waiting up to 2118, almost the stock reaches 10 points now. That's what we are capturing the stock period to that. So entry point will be entry point above 2000. Okay, 22109. Okay, because this is your L3 going to be L3, this is your going to L4. Okay, at any time this stock breaks the low of 2090. Again, I am telling you, do not hold this stock for 2090 because 2090 not been violated. See, one reversal, second reversal, third reversal. If the stock breaks 2090, there will be another 60 points downside will be expected. So if you want to short below this, which means 2093, 2090 once breaks, you can enter into the stock and you can wait for this 2081 as your first target. If 2080 take out, then finish. The stock will go further down. Okay. So now the conclusion, your target is 2118. Your entry point is 2000 to 2109 depending on your analyzing the charts, and you have to watch this trend line carefully. If the script closing below this trend line for 30 minutes, probability of upside will be capped. Okay, and this could be your first target somewhere between 2118 to 2115. If the script not able to break this 200-day moving average, it is not good enough to go upside. So entry at 2000 to 2109 and your target 2118 and 2133. Your stop loss will be 2090 plus 2090. You mark this line to your charts. 2101 is your L3. Okay. Even I can mark L3. Okay. And you have H3. Okay. Okay. Your entry point somewhere between L3, and you have to watch closely if L4 is getting violated. If L4 break down by the script, do not hold your long. Okay, it is very much important. Just 3 points, it will hit our stop loss. So your stop loss somewhere between 2090 to 2093 because of L4. Okay, but 2090 will be the strong support for Reliance. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I will see you the another video on next day. Thank you for watching.